Alright, now we come to beginner OLL corners, and once we finish orienting the corners, the entire tops will be all the same color, all yellow in this case. And for this, there's actually 7 configurations, 8 if you include solved, that the corners will be in, but I'm only going to show you 2 algorithms, and you'll need to execute the algorithms once or twice depending on what you see. So the 2 algorithms I'm going to show you, it's actually one algorithm and it's inverse, so it's more like 1.5. Are known as soon and anti-soon. I have no idea where they got those names, but they have names. And the cases for those algorithms are these, where 3 corners are out of place. It's also known as a fish case, because the yellow kind of looks like a fish. But there you go. But there is one subtle difference to take notice for the 2 soon cases. As you can see here, the soon case, if you think of the yellow as arrows kind of pointing out, for soon, it points clockwise. For anti-soon, the yellows kind of point out in a anti-clockwise fashion. So soon clockwise, anti-soon anti-clockwise. So there you go. So the soon algorithms, to do those, you're gonna, for the soon case as well, you're gonna hold it as such and execute the following algorithm: R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. That's soon. Anti-soon, which is just more or less the inverse, hold it as such and execute this algorithm: R, U2, R prime, U prime, R, U prime, R prime. And there you go. So that will solve those cases. For the rest of the cases I'm showing on screen, just hold them simply as you see on screen and execute soon case. You will then be left with either soon or anti-soon, so you won't have unnecessary soon executions. Now, as for soon and anti-soon, these algorithms are actually really easy to track by watching the F2L pair that comes out. So if you're having trouble memorizing the algorithms, here's something that might help. For soon, watch what the first move is R, and what that's going to do is bring this first 2 layer pair here into the top layer. Next thing is U, it moves it out 1, so we have the pair over here. It fixes the F2L layers. It moves it around again once, layer comes back up, and it puts it back in. Simple as that. For anti-soon, it's just more or less the same thing. Pair goes in the top layer, except it gets rotated out twice instead of once first. Layer goes down, pair comes over, pair gets put back in. So if you're having trouble remembering the algorithms, hopefully that'll help a little. So there you go. Once you finish that, you should have all the corners oriented, and top layer OLL should be done.